Let me ask you something uncomfortable. If someone treated you the way you treat yourself, constantly criticizing you, doubting your abilities, downplaying your achievements, would you keep them in your life? Or would you walk away? Then why are you doing it to yourself? Every time you say, "It's not a big deal," every time you apologize for something that wasn't your fault, every time you stay silent when you should speak, you're not being humble. You're devaluing yourself, and it's slowly shaping your entire life. The silent damage. Undervaluing yourself doesn't look dramatic. It looks normal. You don't apply for the opportunity. You settle in relationships. You accept less pay. You stay quiet in rooms where you belong. Not because you're incapable, but because somewhere deep inside you believe, "I'm not that important." Here's the dangerous truth. People treat you based on the value you show them. If you constantly minimize yourself, the world will minimize you too. Not because you deserve less, but because you signal that you do. Why you do this? This habit didn't start yesterday. Maybe you were compared to others. Maybe your mistakes were louder than your strengths. Maybe love felt conditional. So you learned something silently. My worth depends on approval. Now you overthink everything. You doubt compliments. You feel uncomfortable when praised. You think confidence is arrogance. But it's not. Self-worth is not ego. It's self-respect. And without self-respect, you'll keep shrinking to make others comfortable. How to stop? First, catch the pattern. Notice how often you downplay yourself. When you say, "It's nothing," pause. It's not nothing. Second, stop over-apologizing. You don't need to say sorry for existing, speaking, or setting boundaries. No is a complete sentence. Third, upgrade your inner voice. If your friend achieved what you achieved, would you call it average? No. So stop talking to yourself like an enemy. The moment you stop treating yourself like you're replaceable, others stop treating you that way too. You were never less. You were just used to shrinking. And the world doesn't need a smaller version of you. It needs the real one. So stop asking for permission. Stop waiting for validation. Start valuing yourself. Because if you don't, the world won't either.